IBM and Red Hat lead together on many levels. I mean, this has there's some technical partnership that we do together that spans from desktop all the way up to the mainframe. Red Hat delivers value to customers in many ways and in partnership with us. So it's not just about delivering Red Hat Enterprise Linux, but it's about delivering integrated value. So that's integrated in the operating system. There's technologies that we certified together across a broad range of IBM technologies because we have hardware, software, and services that work together. And it's about delivering that value to customers. It really starts with integrated virtualization, which is really key. Virtualization is a hot topic in the industry right now, and Red Hat has integrated that technology into RHEL 5. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5 on IBM systems is very important to our customers. It's somewhat amazing to me that in the 8 years I've been doing Linux, Linux has been the fastest growing server operating system in the world that entire time. And the reason is customers are choosing it more and more when they're switching operating systems. IBM works together with Red Hat to make sure that we deliver together the right solutions to capture that amazing growth. It's been a pleasure working with Red Hat just because of the fact that they never settle for just being number one. They actually also want to demonstrate that with leadership solutions to real customer problems.